The misalignment that this frame has is coplanar, and the way you can check for that is by putting it on a straight edge, and you can see that one side is not touching the border like this side. So the effect that that has on the patient is it shows one lens closer than the other side. So to fix the coplanar, what you do is with your hands, the lens that's pushed back, you bring towards you, and the lens that is forward, you bring to the other side. To make sure that you fix the misalignment, you check on the edge again. And this is how it looks on the patient once it's fixed. They're both even.